investigations of the Trump Organization and the National Rifle Association. James is among a list of people perceived as Trump's political enemies, and last year she won a civil fraud case against him. Her supporters say the president is trying to get retribution. CNN's Bryn Gingras reports.
Sources telling CNN that 2 subpoenas have been issued to James and that a grand jury has been convened in Albany. And the nature of what this grand jury and this investigation is looking to, according to sources, is whether or not James violated the constitutional rights of Donald Trump when investigating him and his company and his sons, which eventually led to that civil lawsuit that was filed against him in 2022 by James's office. Remember, that lawsuit led to a civil fraud trial where James accused Trump and his sons of inflating their assets in order to have some financial gain. Well, the DOJ at this point is saying that they think that there was some criminality in that, and it's being investigated. It's not the first time that James has been at the center of one of the investigations by the DOJ. We also learned in May that the FBI rather was looking into James and her real estate transactions. Now, if you talk to James's office, of course, they think this is just a sign of political retribution. We did get a statement from them in regards to this news of these subpoenas being issued. And Abby Lowell, her attorney, says weaponizing the Department of Justice to try to punish an elected official for doing her job is an attack on the rule of law and a dangerous escalation by this administration. The DOJ did not want to comment on this, and it is important to know it's unclear what stage this is all in, but it's certainly something that we'll continue to keep an eye on. Bryn Gingras, CNN, New York.
All right, sources tell CNN that the IRS has started sharing sensitive taxpayer data with immigration authorities. It's all part of President Trump's massive deportation push. In April, the Treasury Department and the Department of Homeland Security signed an agreement to turn over information about undocumented immigrants who DHS says are already facing deportation orders and are under federal criminal investigation.